Hi, thanks for checking out our moving sale. The date today is March 19th, 2021, and these items are up for sale for the next 2 to 3 weeks. We're located in the north side of Chicago. I will be listing the prices in the description box below, so message me through Facebook Messenger if you're interested in any of the pieces or have questions about dimensions. The items are for pickup only. We don't have a way to deliver it for you, sorry. But I do have furniture saran wrap that will make it easier for you to transport and will protect the items as well. So this first item is a vintage oak door. It's a nice piece that you can lean up against the wall decoratively, put like a vintage throw on there in front of some plants. Looks really nice. This is a schoolhouse table. It's got some neat wrought iron design work on there, and there's some storage in the front. We used it as a couch side table for a while to put the remotes and magazines, and it's a nice place to put your bags as you come in the door. This here is an Ikea piece called Nordkisa, and it's less than a year old. It's in very good, pretty much new condition, and Ikea lists it for $249. It slides as well. This piece here is a mid-century buffet. It's got a couple of sort of defects that it came with. We bought it used through someone through Craigslist a couple of years ago for $300. But these are original hardware, kind of this brass interesting details, and it's got some nice curves to it. Has these cool doors that swing out like that. If you buy the buffet, you can have the mirror for free. Alright. This is a vintage ice cream table. This is marble. It's got a nice kind of like weathered soft marble feel. We bought this through the King County County Fair. It does come with a few of these defects on the side, so it's not like a perfectly brand new table that you can buy at CB2 or anything like that, or Crate and Barrel. So it's got a charm, looks really nice with a little Persian rug. And if you buy the ice cream table, then this bent wood chair will come with it. It'll look really nice as a pairing. It originally came with a hunter's green base, but we spray painted it black, so I think it looks a little bit classier that way. This here is a number 5 crock. It's really great for plants. If you have plant like a larger plant, it will fit. I had a large Dracaena that was sitting in there. It looked really nice with that. And this here is a terracotta urn that we got at City Escape, and I believe it is handmade. Here's that stamp of the maker there. This green chair, it's kind of got this like faux leather. It's very, very comfortable, and this sort of lighter wood details on the arms. It's like a nice armchair that we got at a vintage fair. It's very comfortable. And this is a ceramic planter, and it will come, well, it comes separate from the base there, but if you buy the urn or the planter, then we'll throw in the wrought iron base down below as well. This here is a Actually, it's like a rabbit cage, vintage rabbit cage that we used as a side table. If you put in fairy lights in there or Christmas lights, it looks like a little faux fireplace. So if your apartment doesn't allow a fireplace, but you want those vibes, it actually looks really cool, just aglow with the lights in there. You can use it as a side table. This is a vintage kerosene burner. It's what people used to heat, outdoor spaces with. And we actually saw a lot of them in Japan and thought it was a really cool idea because they would put some kind of like teapot with water, and it would there was kerosene running in it, and then it would raise the humidity. So we actually outfitted this with some heat bulbs. So there's some heat bulbs in here that are working, and you can actually plug it in, and this thing will actually produce heat up here. You can put a teapot with some water, and it will raise the humidity of your bedroom naturally. It'll be nice and toasty. This here is a vintage steamer trunk. Bought this at a local antique shop, and it's very weathered. It's got that weathered look to it. It just opens up like that. There's like a watermark that was already on there, but anyways, so those are the items. Those are the small items here for sale. But a large item that we have for sale is this stunning library table. It's a solid quarter sawn oak, and it's got this really nice brass detail on the bottom. And it was actually taken from Northwestern University's library. So it's actually used as a library study table, but we used it as a dining room table, and it served us really well because wood is a really nice and warm surface, so it's quite comfortable to work on, and so it'd be great for a study or kind of like a communal table or a dining room table. You can use it for really anything. The legs do come off, so in transport you're able to take that off, and it's pretty much in perfect condition, with one exception. There is kind of like a gash here, which I'm sure it would be really easy to kind of repair with one of those colored pens that match the timbre of the wood. And here is the original seal there. If you buy the table, then we'll throw in these 4 chairs. These are reupholstered in matching gray suede fabric. It's very comfortable. There'll be 2 sort of wicker back chairs as well with the same gray fabric here and here. Over here we have 2 wooden stackers, Barrister cabinets, and this one was originally painted a sort of navy blue color, and we had restored it, stripped out the paint, and brought it back to its original color. And then we had also replaced the, and got matching hardware for it as well. So mechanism works really well, the roll mechanism. As you can see. And right now we had a custom sort of glass top on the top. Excuse the mess. And then here we have another Barrister cabinet that is 4 high. And this one's really nice because it has this leaded glass detail on there. And so you see the mechanism slides really, really nicely. All right. And this one's in very good condition here. All right, and if you buy any of the Barrister cabinets, we'll even throw in this painting for free if you want. And lastly, we have this Hoosier cabinet over here. This is an oak Hoosier cabinet. And this one's unique because it has this weathered copper top to it. We use it as a potting shed, so we store a lot of our fertilizers, empty pots, and other such items in this. And the only defect is that this drawer it didn't come with a matching pole, so you might want to try to find one there. So, but it's in very good working order. All the mechanisms work. This is a roll top. And this one is a cabinet, and there's like a secret little latch here that opens this one. So it took me a while to figure that one out, but it does work, all the mechanisms. And the wood is pretty much in perfect condition all around. Obviously the copper top has seen a lot of weathering, but we think it's kind of cool.